Robert could.
Okay, I'm recording it now.
I feel like I have to do more.
No, turn that light on, because I can't see you.
It's weird. It's like you're more than. I don't want to.
Okay, well, just
You have to get
pretend.
like your stance, Tony.
Just do your dance. Just pretend I'm not recording you.
But it's so weird, man.
Okay, we'll just.
Hide it under cover or something.
Okay, well, I'm not doing it. Just dance. Are you wait until it gets good? This is like a YouTube sensation, yeah.
Man, can you stop?
No, just go ahead. Tony, just do it, please.
I want you to put things. My shirt's up.
Okay, Tony, I'm not gonna put it on the computer then. I'll just keep it on here, and when I get sad, I'll just look at it and crack up. Okay.
Oh, snap. Ooh, my body on the floor. Are you serious?
This beat needs to get better, and she will dance better. Fist pump. Quit stomping. Ew.
Oh my god! Oh damn!
Can I please put this on YouTube?
No!
Okay, sorry, go ahead.
Over my groove.
Okay, I'm sorry.
The jam. These are my Egyptian stuff. Can I play the next song?
No, keep this on. No, this is funny to watch it
No,
dance.
next song.
Watch this one suck. I'll be so mad. Why do they take forever to like get to the like?
Okay, next song.
Can you stop? Yeah, I'm recording, you know. Ew. Pull up your bra straps, freak.
I'm tired.
Oh, well, come on.
If you have a dance more, pick my bra strap.
Do 40 more seconds. So this can be 4 minutes long. 30 more seconds.
Why are you dancing on me?
Look at it. You push it and starts dancing.
See, look at that. I want to crochet something like that. That's what I